You've decided to embark on the thrilling journey of building your own gaming PC. Imagine the power to play any game at your fingertips. That's what we're here for, to turn that vision into reality, step by step. First up, let's talk about the heart of your gaming beast, the CPU. It's like the brain, making sure your games run without a hitch. Think fast, play fast. Next, the motherboard, the skeleton of your setup. It connects all your parts, making sure they work in harmony. It's the unsung hero of PC building. Now, let's dazzle with the GPU. This piece is all about the visuals, turning your games from mere images to breathtaking landscapes. The better the GPU, the more immersive your gaming world. RAM comes in next, your PC's short-term memory. It keeps your games running smoothly, ensuring that lag doesn't stand a chance against your gaming prowess. Storage is where your digital world lives. Choose an SSD for lightning-fast load times, or an HDD for a treasure trove of space. Why not both? Don't overlook the power supply. It's the lifeline of your gaming sanctuary, providing the energy to keep you in the game. Choose wisely. The case, your PC's home and the first thing eyes will land on. Make it count. It's not just housing, it's a statement. Assembling your PC is like piecing together a puzzle. Start with the CPU and motherboard, then bring in the RAM, GPU, and storage. Remember, cables are the veins of this operation. The moment of truth arrives as you press the power button. Your creation stirs to life, ready to take on the digital world. Install your operating system, drivers, and games. The adventure begins now. But it doesn't end here. Personalize your rig with RGB lighting, tidy cables, and any gadgets that speak to you. This isn't just a PC, it's your gaming sanctuary. Congratulations, you've just built your first gaming PC. Welcome to the endless possibilities of PC gaming. Stay tuned for more adventures and tips to enhance your gaming journey. Welcome to the family.